Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian James, this is DB Automotive. If you're new to the channel and you're wanting to know what this is about, this is my journey basically in video vlog form with my passion for cars, motorbikes and anything racing and automotive. So at the moment, some of you have been following me, you know that I'm being sued and taken to court for a car that I sold 3 years ago. We're still waiting to hear back from the courts on that. They're still making their decision. We hope to find out very soon. More on that later once we know what we're dealing with. So in the meantime, I haven't been working on any cars because my entire focus is held up with this court case. So I'm just going to car shows. Went to one this morning, in fact. So got the old ute out, decided to give it a run, went into Hamilton. The Classic Car Museum there hosts a morning very similar to the Coffee and Classics that you may be familiar with. So the first Sunday of every month, the Classic Car Museum holds a bit of a car show. I enjoy it actually. I've been a couple of times before, but this is the first time really. And considering it's the middle of winter, and you may see the sun streaming in on me, it's still a cold sun. There's quite a decent turnout of cars, but look, don't take my word for it. Stick around. I've got some photos, I've got some videos to share of the cars that personally stood out to me. If anything takes your interest, or look, you just want to comment on how I'm doing, by all means, drop a comment below. I read them all. I try and reply to them all if they're worth replying to, which most of them are. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Okay, bye. Nice old Daimler. Basically a Mark II Jag with a V8 in it. I apologise about the sun, but what can we do? Right, now what we have here is something a tad different. We've got a Jaguar XK8 and someone's done gone and stuffed a big V8 into it, i.e. and good old LS1. Trying to disguise it with obviously the little Jag logos on it, but yeah, Jaguars didn't do 5.7 litres with. Judging by the look of that on the intake, you've got a nice little chunk of nitrous oxide sitting in there, so that's a bit of humour, isn't it? All certified, all legal. Actually, really the perfect car to put them in because they're quite cheap, and I imagine that the LS1 would wake them up quite a lot. But once again, I apologise for the sun. And so here we have an extremely clean, looks to be a Mark I Escort 2-door. Let's see what motor it's running. Wow, that is extremely clean. Stainless steel headers. So we've got big old Buick. So again, we've got another Mark 1 Escort, big flares on it, so probably a Mexico or a Mexico rep. I genuinely don't know how to tell the difference. But this one is running a twin cam Lotus motor. And once again, how clean is that? It's got serial VIN number of Carruthers. That is absolutely beautiful. Okay, here we have a stunning little Renault. And once again, wait for the sun strike. Okay, that is a stunning little car. Late model Corvette, America's answer to sports cars, mid-engined, lots of power, and from all accounts handles extremely well. Cheaper than a Ferrari, and it'll eat it just the same. I really do like them. Right, got a nice little 1275 Mini. Like it's been used for competition, which, you know, all cars should be. I do like the wheels on those. I do like those style of wheels. Hopefully my next Lotus 7 replica will end up with those wheels. Now, for all those in New Zealand, they will know what exactly that plate number means. Goodbye Pork Pie. One of the best New Zealand movies ever made. For those outside of New Zealand, I suggest you look it up and watch it. It's hilarious, and the Mini is the main star of the movie. Sorry. So what we've got here is a nice HT Monaro. And we're about to pop the bonnet, so we'll see it's a GTS. Let's see what's under the hood. Good old.
Yeah, there he is. You got the strong big cars? Yeah. Yeah, that was the same car on there. 253 V8.
Well, that's quite a rare beast because it's still got the 6 cylinders sitting in it. Right down to its original hubcap.
In a few minutes, we'll be announcing our prize winner for the day. Oh, we're looking to see now. This is from
good old roller. When you're not in a hurry to get anywhere, but you want to get there in style. So here we have a B3 Alpina twin bi-turbo BMW. So honestly, a nice Beamer is a nice Beamer no matter what age. And for all those that are sort of on the edge about them being not so great, and that is quite frankly probably a weapon. And being Alpina, it's a nice weapon at that. Okay, turboed Mazda Cosmo, and yes, it is a rotary, so we'll assume that it's a 13B in there that's standard. This car is uber straight. That is luxury rotor. So here we have another HT Monaro. Difference being that this one is 308 V8. Again, super tidy. Someone's obviously loved it and taken care of it for a long time. See if we can get a look on the inside. All you can see is my reflection. I do apologise for that. It's a whole lot of ugly that you didn't need to see. Right, this little car here, the little Mini Traveller, definitely stands out, gets a lot of attention, and quite rightly so. The first hint that maybe something's not overly standard would be the mags. Let's go have a look at the standard Mini motor. Okay, I'm picking that that twin cam isn't a standard Mini motor, but bugger me, it certainly looks the business. Let's have a look. The paint job is absolutely exceptional and flawless as we go.